What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the garage. And I thought for a second there that Harbor Freight was going to make a liar out of me when I said expect another ad before Labor Day. The current ad ends on Sunday the 4th, Labor Day is Monday the 5th, and up until today we had nothing. But I did find it, and it is here, and that's what we're going to look at. You have a Labor Day 4-day sale that starts tomorrow morning, which you're probably watching this on Friday the 2nd, so it's active now. And it goes through Monday, September 5th. It's a 20% off coupon for everyone, 25% off any item for Inside Track. Now, the downer to this coupon is the fact that it has a ton of exclusions, as Harbor Freight likes to do. So the exclusions are pretty extensive. Does not include Inside Track Club memberships, does not include service plans, does not include open box gift cards or prior purchases. Those are all pretty standard. Does not include Atlas brand tools, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cover Pro, Hercules, Predator, compressors, generators, jacks, miter saws, safes, storage cabinets, carts, chests, and welders. So unfortunately, you are not going to be able to use this on a lot of the high dollar big ticket items. It's just not going to happen. You can't even use it on most of the power tools in general, except for it doesn't include Warrior. Warrior's not excluded on the coupon, but there's not a whole lot in the Warrior line to begin with, and especially not a whole lot worth purchasing. So just keep that in mind if you're going to head to Harbor Freight. You may want to use it on consumables and other things like that. Unfortunately, a lot of the consumables are starting to get branded under Bauer and Hercules as well. As time has gone on and they've switched product lines, these coupons have started to exclude more and more things. Flap discs, grinding wheels, cutoff wheels, those are all starting to get branded as Bauer and Hercules, except for the super cheap ones. And so are a lot of the other things in the store. So even your drill bits and things like that, sandpaper, you're not going to be able to use these coupons on if they follow it as it's written. Your mileage may vary in the store, and you'll just have to kind of find out and see. So here it is, the coupon for Labor Day. Sorry for the short notice, but they didn't release it until today. So if you want more videos like this, as soon as I release them, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to know about these deals as I post them. Thanks for watching. Check out some other videos.